Respiratory etiquette goes a long way to prevent illness from spreading through direct and indirect contact from droplets on surfaces, through the air, and cross-contamination with food or water. Stop the spread. It's as easy as sneezing or coughing into your sleeve. Here's Cassandra and Joanne to show us how.
Achoo!
Notice Joanne's left-handed maneuver, while Cassandra effectively uses her right elbow. Even droplets from this big sneeze are stopped in their tracks
Achoo!
as Joanne makes sure her nose and mouth are deep in the fabric. The best way to catch and dispose of germ-filled droplets is with a tissue. Sneeze or cough into the tissue, blow, hold and wipe, and toss it into the trash. Remember to always wash your hands or use alcohol rub after using a tissue.